What's going on? Many of you have wondered, does BetFury still work in 2025? And it does. Let's go over it. So I'm right now going to use the good old BetFury Dice Originals. It's my favorite game to play. And right now I'm at 1700. There's a few plays I like to play. I like to play 2 and 3%, and then also 8. And the way I use this tool is I actually have a dice tool that I will be using that shows me essentially the profitability, but we'll show you what this looks like. So if we bet this down to what, 0.05 cents, I think it is, we do this to 9, I believe. Let me look it up, dice. So here is the dice tool I was talking about, and essentially my bankroll, I have 1700. The bet amount, I'm going to put 1 cent. My chance to win, we'll put 8, and here we'll put 9. And so as you can see, I have 104 losses with a 8.5 strategy. And if we scroll down, you can see all of my chances are to win. If I were to put it to 8 here, you can see that I'll start losing at roll 31. So that's why we put 9. If we actually change this to 2, I think it is 2, and change this to 3, we have 266 chances to lose. So increased substantially, but a lot more chances to win. So actually, let's do that. Let's do 2 and 3. We can probably go up a little bit in how much we bankroll it. So maybe we bankroll it 1 cent and see how much we come up with. So we'll do 1 cent here and we'll start it. So 1700, 180 chance to win. Let's give it a go. I'm a little nervous. So let me actually roll this out, so you guys can see. And actually, we'll turn on the good old where is that thing right here? Frosty bets, 0 chance. Let's give it a go. We're gonna see how much we win here. So I'm gonna let this run for a little bit. We'll see it bounce up every once in a while and do it. So I'm gonna let this run for like half hour, and I'll show you guys the results in a little bit, so you guys can see how much you can win using the good old BetFury dice game. I've included all the links in the description so that you can do the same, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. But I'll let this run. I'm going to go pee, and I'll fast forward this so you guys can see the results when I get back. So I just went pee, and we're $130 in the positive. I'll probably take this to 300, and then let it stop. But I'm just gonna I don't know, speed this up. As you can see, it's just I sped it up by like 10 times or 5 times. But I'll have a big dip in a moment here, and then just a big bounce. So nice little right here. Almost lose, become a gambler, and it shoots up to the top. I was kind of away when this was happening. Now I'm up to 500. I'm back overeating. So $556. And I guess I gained a rank, so pretty. And now we're almost to $700. Really fast. So That's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. There is links in the description for all the tools that I use, as well as this website. So that's it, guys. Peace.